In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft OneNote. If you're on a Windows PC or laptop and you use the OneNote desktop app that comes with Office or Microsoft 365, this walkthrough is for you. We'll update OneNote from within the app itself, and along the way I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and consider saving your work in any Office apps you have open. Updates can sometimes require you to close and reopen apps, and saving first helps you avoid losing changes. Start by opening OneNote. At the top left, click File to open the Backstage view. In the menu on the left, select Account. On the right side of that page, look for the Office Updates section. Click the button labeled Update Options, and then choose Update Now. OneNote will check Microsoft's servers, download any available updates, and install them. You might see a small progress window, and you may be prompted to close OneNote or other Office apps while the installer completes. If you're asked to do that, go ahead and allow it. When it's finished, reopen OneNote, and you'll be on the latest version available to you. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. Updating from here doesn't just target OneNote, it updates the entire Office suite, including apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. That's normal and actually helpful, because it keeps all of your Office tools current with the latest features, security fixes, and performance improvements. If you don't see the Update Options button, or it's grayed out, it may mean your organization manages updates centrally. In that case, changes will be pushed to your device automatically, so you won't need to do anything. You can also double-check later by returning to this same account page to confirm your update status. It's also important to mention the older OneNote for Windows 10 app. Microsoft has announced that this app is reaching end of support on October 14, 2025, and it won't receive regular updates after that date. If you're still using it, consider moving to the newer OneNote app that comes with Microsoft 365 or can be installed from the Microsoft Store. The newer app is where Microsoft delivers new features and ongoing improvements. That's all there is to it. Open OneNote, go to File, Account, Office Updates, choose Update Options, and select Update Now. Keep your apps current, and you'll get the best performance, the newest features, and the latest security protections. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.